Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best resistance bands is probably one of the most versatile and accessible fitness tools available today, offering a full-body workout that can be tailored to any fitness level, from beginner to advanced athlete, making them an excellent choice for home workouts, travel, or supplementing gym sessions. And their compact size and affordability mean you can achieve significant strength and toning gains without breaking the bank or needing a dedicated space. Number 5. Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands. Introducing a set of 5 heavy-duty loop resistance bands designed for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, these bands offer varying resistance levels to suit your workout needs. Seamlessly integrate these bands into your favorite workout programs or use them for general fitness, stretching, and strength training. The included carry bag makes it easy to take your workout anywhere. Physical therapists recommend these bands for patient rehabilitation, helping with recovery from leg, knee, and back injuries. They are also perfect for postpartum recovery and maintaining fitness. Crafted for superior quality and tested for durability, these bands are gentle on the skin. Enjoy a worry-free workout experience with reliable and effective resistance. This comprehensive set includes 5 color-coded resistance bands, a portable travel bag, and an instruction guide. It provides everything you need to target various muscle groups effectively. What we like. These heavy-duty loop bands offer a wide range of resistance, perfect for everyone from beginners to seasoned athletes. They integrate seamlessly with popular workout programs and can be used for general fitness, stretching, or strength training. If you are looking for a versatile set that can adapt to your evolving fitness journey and is easy to take anywhere, you should consider this option. What people say. The bands are very durable and have held up well to frequent use. I like the variety of resistance levels included, making it easy to progress. The included door anchor is a great addition and allows for a wider range of exercises. Number 4. 5-Pack Resistance Bands Workout Kit. Introducing a complete 5-pack fitness kit designed for your versatile workout needs. These durable bands offer multiple resistance levels, perfect for strength training, stretching, and more. Crafted from high-quality natural latex rubber, these elastic bands are built to last. They provide consistent tension for all your power training and daily exercise routines. Effectively target all major muscle groups, from your glutes and legs to your arms and back. Use them for a variety of exercises to achieve your fitness goals, including muscle toning and flexibility. This set is your essential home and gym equipment, offering a compact alternative to bulky weights. It's perfect for workouts anywhere, anytime, and makes a practical gift. Take your fitness on the go with this portable kit. It includes a convenient carry bag, making it easy to store and travel with for workouts wherever you are. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, these bands adapt to your needs. They offer adjustable tension for customized workouts, rehabilitation, and strengthening. What we like. Crafted from high-quality natural latex rubber, these bands provide consistent tension for lasting use and effective workouts. They are designed to target all major muscle groups, making them ideal for strength training, stretching, Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy. If you need a complete fitness kit that's portable, durable, and suitable for all fitness levels and needs, this set is a great choice. What people say. The bands are very durable and have held up well to frequent use. The set comes with a variety of resistance levels, making it versatile for different exercises. The included door anchor and handles make it easy to perform a wide range of workouts at home. Number 3. VEICK Resistance Band Set. Introducing the VEICK Resistance Band Set, your all-in-one solution for a complete workout experience. Achieve your fitness goals with versatile and effective resistance training. This set offers adjustable resistance, allowing you to customize your workouts from 10 to 150 pounds. With 5 color-coded bands, you can easily select the perfect level for your training needs. Whether you enjoy yoga, Pilates, or general fitness, these bands are designed to complement any exercise routine. They are perfect for stretching, strength training, and rehabilitation. Transform any space into your personal gym with these portable resistance bands. Use them with the included handles, ankle straps, or door anchor to build muscle, burn fat, and improve your overall physical function wherever you go. Designed for convenience, these bands are incredibly lightweight and come with a handy carrying bag. Storing and transporting your workout equipment has never been easier. Your set includes everything you need: 5 resistance bands, cushioned handles, ankle straps, a door anchor, and a carrying bag for your convenience. What we like. This set offers adjustable resistance up to 150 pounds with multiple bands and versatile accessories like handles and ankle straps. It's designed to be a mobile gym, allowing you to exercise anytime, anywhere to burn fat, improve balance, and enhance mobility. If you want a comprehensive home gym solution that's portable and allows for a wide range of exercises, this is the one for you. What people say. The bands are durable and have held up well to consistent use. The variety of resistance levels included allows for a full-body workout. The included door anchor is a great addition for exercises that require more stability. Number 2. 2024 Upgrade Resistance Band Starter Set. Elevate your workouts with our versatile resistance bands. Perfect for everything from strength training and yoga to physical therapy and recovery, these bands are designed to support your fitness journey. Our set includes 3 distinct color-coded resistance levels, ranging from 7.3 to 21.3 pounds. This makes it easy to select the perfect tension for your specific exercise, ensuring a progressive and effective workout. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly thermoplastic elastomer, these bands are both durable and elastic. They are skin-friendly and latex-free, making them a safe choice for everyone, including those with allergies. These bands are ideal for strengthening and toning various muscle groups, including your legs, hips, arms, and core. They are also excellent for rehabilitation and improving flexibility. Designed for convenience, our resistance bands come with a carrying bag, making them easy to transport. Stay consistent with your training routine whether you're at home or on the go. Surprise your friends and family with a gift that promotes health and wellness. Suitable for all ages and fitness levels, this set includes a training guide to get them started. What we like. Made from eco-friendly, skin-friendly thermoplastic elastomer, these bands are an excellent choice for those with latex allergies. They come in different color-coded resistance levels and are perfect for stretching, physical therapy, recovery, Pilates, and strength training. If you prioritize comfort, safety, and a latex-free experience for your workouts or rehabilitation, this starter set is ideal. What people say. The bands are very durable and have held up well to frequent use. The set comes with multiple resistance levels, making it versatile for different exercises. The included door anchor is a great addition, allowing for a wider range of workouts. Number 1. Lianjindun 5 PCS Professional Resistance Bands. Introducing the Lianjindun 5-piece Professional Resistance Band Set. These latex-free bands are perfect for a wide range of exercises, suitable for both women and men. With 5 distinct resistance levels, from 3 to 20 pounds, you can easily find the perfect challenge for your workout. Different colors indicate different strengths, catering to all fitness levels and goals. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly TPE material, these bands are odorless, safe, and durable. They offer long-lasting elasticity without the risk of breaking, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. These bands are ideal for resistance training, physical therapy, and improving mobility. They effectively help tone muscles, enhance posture, and aid in recovery. Whether you're an athlete, recovering from injury, or simply looking to improve your fitness, these versatile bands are designed for you. They are excellent for Pilates, yoga, and various strength-building exercises. Enjoy a safe and effective workout with bands designed for longevity. Their high-quality construction ensures they can withstand regular use for all your fitness needs. What we like. These professional, latex-free resistance bands are made from high-quality TPE material, ensuring they are skin-friendly, odorless, and durable. With 5 distinct resistance levels, they are suitable for a wide range of exercises, from Pilates and yoga to physical therapy and general strength training. If you're looking for unisex, long, and versatile bands that are safe and effective for both training and rehabilitation, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The bands are very durable and have held up well to frequent use. The set comes with a variety of resistance levels, making it versatile for different exercises. The included door anchor and handles make it easy to perform a wide range of workouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.